Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we learn about some basic questions of Java. So let's get started first. So first question is, what are the all data types you know in Java? So in Java there are 8 data types like systematically, so you can speak like a first sort, then byte, then int, long, float, double, character, boolean. These are the data types here. These are the primitive data types in Java, and mainly two data types in Java, like a primitive and non-primitive. Inside primitive we have this 8 data type, and non-primitive we have object, string, array, like etc. These are the non-primitive types. So these are the data types in Java. With help of data type we can store the data in the memory address to the computer's memory with the help of data type. Like in all data types store the different data, like store the short integer data, like a byte store 1 byte data, integer store 4 byte, long also 8 byte data store, float and double store floating point data like a decimal, and character store a single character, boolean true false store. These are the simple data types in Java. And can we define size of each data type? Yes, I know. First 2 byte also 1, integer 4 long 8, float 4, double 8, char 2, and boolean 1. So these are the size of the data type. So these are the size of your data type. Like a stores sort have required 2 bytes, byte also 1 byte, long 4, long not integer 4, long 4, long 8, float 4, double 8, character 2, characters 2 because character store in the Unicode system, that's why the size of the 1 byte is increased. Like boolean also true false, it's 1 byte store. And like next question, what is the default size of each data type? Default value of each data type. Like in primitive data types, default value of each data type is like inside sort we have 0, and byte we have 0, int 0, long 0L, float 0.0, double also 0.0, character have blank, boolean false. These are the default value of every primitive data types. I hope you understand the question. Try to speak more on interview, that's why your selection chances increase. So try to speak more and more, like tell the every data type description also, like a short, byte, int, long are the used for the storing the numbers data type, like a float, and double used for the storing the decimal point numbers, and character store for you store the single character, and boolean store a true false value. That's the simple description of all the data type. And next question, each string is data type? No, it's a class. No, it's class. With the help of string we can create the immutable string with the help of string pool. A string class is used to create a string. It is a non-primitive data type. A string have inbuilt methods like length, caret, index of. These are the methods of string class. Equals method. These are the method to work with the string. So string is a class. It extends the object class. So that's a simple. It string class present in java.lang package. That's why it's a default. We cannot import the string. Can define a class? Can you define a class? Yes, I am. So first we create a class with the help of class keyword, and then class name and curly braces inside the class body, like a method, property, and etc. So these are the simple syntax of a class. Class name always capital with, and method name always small, first character. So this is the main difference. Class keyword is mandatory for creating the class. Can you define an object? Yes. So if we create an object of any class, first we need to class name, obj object name equal to new class name. So this is a constructor, like a simple method. It allocates the memory to this obj, and new operator is used to allocate the memory to the object. So these are the simple syntax of object. Can you list out the some inbuilt classes in Java? Yes, I know. There are lots of classes inbuilt in Java, like system class, kernel class, thread, string, buffer, string builder, release. These are the many classes available in Java. With the help of these classes we can perform the different operations. What is the difference between global and local scope? In global and local scope are nothing but inside the class we can create the top of the variable is known as the global variable. Scope is the global, and inside we can create a very same variable with the inside a method. So it's known as local scope. In global scope we can access outside the class also with the help of class name and object name, but inside the method we cannot access the outside the class. First difference in global scope is inside a whole class. In local scope inside a method inside a method only. These are the difference between in a global scope variable store in a heap memory, and the local scope variable store in the stack memory. So these are the simple differences. Can class be return type? No, class not return type, but class object is return type. Like example, we can my class object get name my class name is equal to name return m. Like this is possible. Return the object of that class but not the class. This is a simple concept. What is a block in Java? What is the syntax? A block is a piece of code, like an example. Like a block is a piece of code. With the help of block we can create the variables inside the block. Block execute at the same as the class will load it. There are lots of blocks in Java, like a synchronized block, static block. These are the blocks in Java. Like a static block is execute always first. Block is a different scope. Like inside a variable we can declare n and outside declare n. These are all the different locations and memory address. So these are the blocks in Java. These are the piece of code, same like a method, not a name. It executes automatically. Simple. What is the superclass of all the classes in Java? The superclass of all the classes in Java is known as an object class. Object class is a superclass of all the classes in Java. A superclass is present in the Java.lang package. That's why its default package present. Object class is an inbuilt method like a clone, like a get class, wait, notify all. These are the equals method, comparator, comparable. These are the methods of object class. With the help of this method we can perform the different tasks. Simple. So this is the object. Like explain some of the methods of the object class. So there are many methods like get class equals wait, notify, clone. These are the methods of the object class. Get class itself, get class name, equals method, wait method, notify all. There are lots of methods. Wait is a different form of the three type, and notify also don't have. Get class. These are the methods of the object class. Can we give the full form of fully qualified name? Yes, I know. Like in example of scanner class, like a system dot java.util.scanner sc is equal to new java.util.scanner. Simple. System.in. This is the fully qualified name. So this is a fully qualified name. Like we can first add package name and then class name. So what are the access specifier in Java, explain in detail. So there are 4 access specifier in Java, like a public,